Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Atlas O, Lionel, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas is pleased to announce the production of their premier O-Scale Santa Fe streamlined passenger set for Patrick's Trains. The passenger cars feature the distinctive black bonnet fantasy colors of the Santa Fe. Packaged as a 4-car set, a 2-car sleeper diner set, a single 70-foot full-length Vista Dome car, and a 70-foot RPO passenger car, this distinctive 8-car configuration features LED overhead lighting, detailed car interiors, O-scale passenger figures, and die-cast metal trucks and couplers. The 8-car set early order price is $1,059.99. No estimated delivery date has been announced. Lionel Trains will be producing a limited release Legacy 2882H7 steam locomotive in unique C&O Chessie colors for the train loft. Special stainless steel silver-coated tender sides, cab and sand domes, feedwater heater piping, and air tanks with polished nickel-plated rims and drive rods will adorn the model, and it will include all typical Lionel Legacy features. No release date has yet been announced. The early order price is $1,999.95. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Gauge Operating Aquarium car in East River Dredging, Maryland Blue Crabs, and Sea Turtle Transport schemes this fall. This exciting car features a backlighted moving animation strip visible through each of the car's 4 large viewing windows. Utilizing a quiet and efficient motorized player and bright LED lighting, the animated action really shines bright. The cars will be available in extremely limited quantities and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in November 2024. The items are available to order from your authorized MTH retailer for $84.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge operating gas station in unique Atlantic gasoline colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The limited production accessory will be available for delivery beginning in August 2024. Featuring a die-cast 1/43rd scale automobile, lighted signs, and gas pumps, this operating accessory brings the service station to life at the touch of a button. When activated, the station's bay door rises to reveal the die-cast car inside. The sound of the car's motor cranks up and it slowly pulls out of the bay and heads for the pump island for a fill-up. It's all accompanied by the classic sounds of a service station, including the bell as each gallon is pumped. The early order price is $199.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge 2-story city building in distinctive Skyline Chili colors for exclusive distribution by Dixie Union Station. The limited production building comes fully assembled and painted and includes interior illumination. It will be available for delivery beginning in October 2024. The early order price is $89.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of the Rail King O-Gauge Bump and Go Trolley in Pittsburgh, Harmony, Butler, and Newcastle colors for exclusive distribution by Hobby Express. The colorful trolley features a lighted interior, metal wheels and gears, and a long-lasting motor. The unit operates on any O-Gauge track system and features an automatic bumper reversing mechanism that changes the car's direction when it hits a track bumper. The trolley will be available on a first-come, first-served basis in extremely limited quantities beginning in November 2024. The early order price is $99.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge 2-story city building in holiday colors for Train World. The Duncan's Toy Chest building comes fully assembled and painted and includes interior illumination. It will be available in extremely limited quantities, available for delivery beginning in October 2024. The early order price is $99.99. Coming soon from Woodland Scenics is the complete guide to model scenery. This newly updated manual contains more than 200 pages with full color photos and illustrations, product information, and step-by-step methods, as well as tips and techniques you will need to model realistic scenery. All of the newest products, tips, and tricks are also in this revamped manual. The complete guide to model scenery combines the scenery manual and the subterrane manual into one book, expanding the two original manuals to include more information. The guide is expected to arrive in June 2024 with a suggested retail price of $19.99. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a programming note, from May through July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 190 is scheduled for publishing on June 22nd, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New in O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.